Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet and delicious pumpkin spice syrup. To get started, you're going to need 1 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of canned pumpkin, and this is not pumpkin pie filling, it's just pure pumpkin. You are going to need 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and this is my spice blend that I made. If you want to see how I made it, I'm going to leave the video link below for you. And 1 cup of water. Now turn your stove on medium heat and let this heat up, and just give it a good stir to mix everything together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. You're going to let this heat up for about 10 minutes until it starts to bubble, and just keep stirring it in between. For those of you who love pumpkin spice lattes, this recipe is for you. Oh my goodness, it makes the best one. You'll never want to go out and buy it again and spend all that money when it's so cheap to make your own, and it's so good. So in my next recipe coming up, I'm going to show you how I make mine. If you're not into coffee drinks, you can just put this over your pancakes or waffles, or you can put it on ice cream, or pretty much anything you want to put it on. So this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. You'll see that it starts to bubble a little. So you just want to give that a stir and let that continue bubble for another couple minutes, and then turn off the stove. After you turn off the stove, then you're going to add one last thing, and that is a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And you don't want to add any more than that because it will overpower the other flavors in the syrup. Stir that in and then remove the pot from the heat and let that cool down. Now that it's nice and cool, I'm just going to fill it in a clean jar. This is just a jam jar that I had, but you can put it in a container or whatever you want, and then you're just going to store it in the fridge. I have some left over, but I'm not worried about that because I'm going to use it right now to make a drink. If you want to see how I make my pumpkin spice latte, just stay tuned for my next video. Well, I really hope you liked this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.